Hey guys, welcome to Music Pandit. I want to congratulate you. In coming to Music Pandit, you have taken the first step towards your musical dreams, and I promise you we're going to help you get there. So first of all, I want to talk about who Music Pandit is for. The courses on Music Pandit are designed for anyone who wants to be able to sing or play their favorite songs as quickly and as easily as possible. Our courses range from absolute beginner levels to courses for more advanced and experienced students. So now that I've introduced Music Pandit to you, let me tell you everything you get when you sign up for the All Access Course membership plan. Simply log in and you will land up on your dashboard. Here you can set up your practice goals, listen to the latest music, and start back right where you left off. Now simply click Courses to see the course list. I'm going to choose the Keyboard Bollywood Songs course to give you an idea of what all is covered in a course. Here we have the course. You can see that it's arranged in a very structured manner, telling you exactly and in what order you need to go through your course. We have the introduction to the course, several video lessons, quizzes, and practice routines. These practice routines are instructor-guided lessons that help you practice at home without getting lost, with clear instructions and the necessary repetitions required for you to gain the skills. Let's do this exercise at 80 BPM. Now, one of the best parts about our course is that once you learn a concept, it's directly applied on a popular song that you have been wanting to learn. Here you can see how we provide the song performance, explanation, and a backing track for you to practice. We know how important it is to have the reassurance of a teacher telling you how you are doing. So simply upload your video on YouTube, share the link in our feedback section, and within a short while, you will receive a personalized evaluation from instructors just like me. And we're still not done. When you finish your course, submit your last feedback video, and if you receive a passing grade, you will get a certificate. Great, right? And there's more. Ask our instructors any questions you have on our student forum, join our fun trivia or musical challenges, and so much more. Now, I'm sure many of you may be asking, why can't I just learn on YouTube? It's free, right? Seriously, does YouTube offer you all of this great stuff? Free videos on YouTube sound great, but the majority of videos you will find are not organized and can teach you the wrong techniques. So rather than getting overwhelmed with billions of videos, save time and learn the easy and right way with Music Pandit. I promise you, Music Pandit is your solution to a frustration-free music learning experience. And you can now try it risk-free with our 15 days money-back guarantee on our all-access annual plan. So see you there.